Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are going to next video of the series Python tutorial. So here we are going to cover one more topic here, that is the number and number inside the Python. How we'll use the number inside the Python. Okay, so we'll try to get it step by step also, as we have done previous videos, and we got enough knowledge. In the same way we are proceeding the new video also in the same aspect, so there is no any problem in this system. So we are going to very first taken a value of number, just like the integer 24, and second value is the 2.4, that is the fraction, or we can take it as a float. Coming to the third, that is c is equal to 24 means 24j. J means mixed fraction. So we are using third as a mixed fraction. We are having three value a, b, c, and very first is the integer, second is the float, and third is the mixed value. So in the number in Python we are having maybe integer, float, and mix. So how will manage with it? How will do work on this? So we'll try to get these all ideas here. Okay, it's complex. Mix is also known as the complex, so don't worry about that. These three numbers in the Python: integer, float, and complex. So we are going to print the output, means statement. In print we are going to write print a and print b, next is print c. A will mention the integer value of the 24 and b will be the 2.4. After running the code, we are by mistake press the button for run, it is showing the incorrect values. So for now we are going to as we have taken the values here, that is correct only. So we are trying to get some ideas what kind of problem may be occur there, because we are not getting the correct output. That is the reason we guys are trying to get the problem here, the error here. But as we can see, there is no any error. A, B, C, three values are there. That is, yeah. Next we are going to type the value like A, as we are running, and the value is showing here. Type A as the type of the value, type B, type of B, next type C, that will print the type of C, what kind of value is this having. Okay, it's for them, and again we are going to run the program. Again it is not showing the as expected values. So we got to know that what is problem. So we are going to click on the option. We are getting the option here, but it's not showing properly. Wait, so we are clicking once, we are going to the run Python file. Now we'll get the output. Yeah, we got the output. The value of A is integer, value of B is mentioned here float, and value of C is equal to mentioned here complex. So three values has taken 24, 2.4, 24j, and three values are having the different data types, different type of number of data types. So we got this, and going forward we have taken the value of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and value of y we are going to take it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 0. This is also here. So we are going to take one more value like z. We are mentioning here minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First is the plus value 1, 2, 3, 4, and second is the y, that is the biggest value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and third z is equal to minus 1 2 3 4 5. So we're going to print the value for like what kind of value is it. So we will print with the type x printed here. So we are running the code, we are getting that it's value of the integer. We are running the value of x is having the integer value, it is showing that. Once we print the value of y, we'll get what kind of value is there. So we are going to printing the value of y by type. Type will show the what kind of type the value is taken inside it. So we have set here y and we are running the code. Once again we are getting the error by mistake. So we are going to correct it once more and we are running once more this program. Yeah, so we are going to get the output here. Yeah, after the running it, we are watching that first and second means x value and y value both are integer. Coming to the z value, that is the minus value, and 1 2 3 4 only. Let's see what is value belonging from this. First two values x and y are integer only till now. So we are going to the next value, print value of type of z, and we are going to running the code. Once we run the code, then we got here the value of x, y is the integer, and value of third class is also integer. So it doesn't mean whether minus or plus, that will be only integer value. As we can see here, z has taken as the minus and x, y is small and y is bigger. That all are type of the integer only. So we got the whether minus or plus. If it is the integer, that will be integer only, that there is no any problem. So we have done this. Coming to the next, we have taken the value of x is equal to 1.25. It's less like the float value. Okay, and we are taking the value of y is equal to, we are going to get the value of y is equal to 10.0, and then we are going to take value of z is equal to 10.10. So we are taking once more 3 value and all are float only, and the z one we have mentioned as minus. So we are going to print it as just like along with the type x, and printing next type b, type y, and the last one printing type z, not z, yeah, z. X, y, z we are printing along with the type. So we'll get the type of the value, what kind of value it is, consisting along with this particular location memory address. So x, y, z, 3 values here. After running the code, we can see first is float, second is float, third is also float. In x, y, z, 3 are all the float value only. So we can say very well whether minus or plus. If the value will be float, the type will be also float. So never mind whether plus or minus the value are mentioning in the program, that will be always in the float only. Okay, so this much we have got it very well, and we are looking forward. We are going again forward. We are going to get some better concept from here also. So we are commenting this particular program here and moving to the next. Okay, so moving to the next, we are going to for the next program that is also concept based. As we are correcting here each and every problem, we are trying to get some concept here, and again we are taken the x is equal to 10 plus 10 means 20, but we are aligning with the complex plus 10j, and the next y is equal to 10j, and then z is equal to, and z is equal to minus, not minus, okay, minus 10 j. Means first is complex plus number means integer, second is the complex number plus, and third is minus. So we are typing their particular the address of value. We are typing x, type of x, type of z, type of y, means type of x, y, z. We are printing here once again, and we are getting the output as expected. We'll get the same as output. Let's see, we'll running the code once more, and we are trying to get it, and yeah, we are getting all of the complex. There are 10 plus 10j, that all values are here mentioning here just like the complex. So we can see in that we are getting the value here, that is the complex only. Okay, so we are telling here once more that whether as per variable are having the values, whether it is integer, it doesn't mean the value if it is integer plus minus, it will be always print the type will be the integer only. Whether value is in float, whether it is the plus minus, the value will be the float only. And in third condition, if the values are there present in mix means complex, so whether it is minus or plus, it will be always in complex. So we have done this also, and coming to the next example, we have taken the value of x 10 and y is equal to 10.50 and z is equal to 10. These three value have taken x, y, z. So we are mentioning here a is equal to float x. It is mentioning the integer. Y is equal to means b is equal to y, no, not y, b is equal to float 10.50, that will mention the float. Then c is equal to float, not float, c is equal to complex z, that will mention the complex only. So we are going to get it also, don't worry, we'll get each and every concept here. So don't worry, we'll come across with the each and every tutorial. We'll try to make it best and continue it. Yeah, converting into the float. The very first is the a is equal to float x. We are converting as typecasting, we can say. We are converting the type, that is known as typecasting. Converting the value of float, so we are getting a is equal to float x. The value of x is equal to, as we are having the x is equal to 10, that is integer, we are just want to do the value into float, that is the reason we have mentioned inside the float value of x integer. Noting the from float to into, if the value is integer, we need to convert into the, no, if the value is the float, we need to convert it into the integer. So we are using b is equal to int y. So y is the float. After int we apply on it typecasting, and it will be mentioned the integer value only. And third is the value is complex. So converting from int to complex, whatever value is there, that will convert into the complex. So that is the reason we are going to put it c is equal to complex z. So once we run the value, once we'll run the program, then we'll get the exact value, what is going on. We'll get the clear picture here. So don't worry, we'll complete it also. In the very next we are going to get some more information about this. After printing this all values, print a, print b, print c, we will run the program. After running the program, we can see after printing a, we are taking the value of First was the integer, and that shows as the float because we have converted here integer to float. Second value is 10. There was the in float, but here it's mentioning the integer because we have costing, we did the type casting here. And the c is equal to the value of complex, and we have converted into complex only. So that is as expected. We got here the output also. The same programming we are doing here multiple times. And if you are not having any concept here, so go through once, twice or thrice up to the video, you will get the concept. Again, if you are not getting, you can comment me whether on the Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or Twitter. You can follow me.